In this video, I'm going to show you how to get city skins in Whiteout Survival. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up the game and log into your account. Once you've done that and you don't like the look of your current skin inside your game, we can go ahead and change it. So in order to do this, from here, we need to go ahead and click on our user profile or avatar in the top left-hand corner of the page here, and then it will take us to our chief profile. From here, look down and click onto the skins option on the bottom left-hand corner of the page, and we can see all the different skins we own by scrolling down. We can look at more by clicking at these marching, avatar frames, nameplate, teleport, private, all that stuff, all the different skins here. But to change a city skin, make sure you're on the city skin tab. Now, in order to change it, we can go ahead and click on one of these, but these are currently locked. So let's go ahead and see what the pre-requirements are. So if I want to go ahead and obtain this one, I'm going to click obtain. Then it's going to tell you how to get it. So activity production, so predicted output from carrying out specified activities. Now, if we click onto another one, we can go ahead and click on obtain, and then it will say here, Snowman Rhapsody inactive. So we need to go ahead, Snowbusters obtained through Snowbusters event, and predicted output from carrying out specified activities. So we need to go ahead and click go to start the ball to obtain that skin.